Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about the importance of setting up your RAID correctly. A lot of people go ahead, they've heard about RAID, but they don't fully understand it. This particular customer had a good workstation in its day, but it had 6 2TB hard drives running on a dynamic RAID, which was basically meant it took all 6 2TB drives and created one 12TB drive. And all it took was one of the drives to fail, and what that meant is now the whole thing becomes inoperable and all your data is lost. So if you want redundancy, you actually need to either go RAID 1 or RAID 10, or you could actually get around the situation by simply having one drive inside the computer and a NAS drive that actually has your larger capacity drives that is being backed up to a USB drive and in the cloud. So if you're not sure about how your system's set up and you want to make sure that you don't lose any data, give us a call, 281-647-9977.